When it comes to decorating for the holidays, nothing creates a festive atmosphere quite like a beautifully styled Christmas garland. Whether draped across a mantle, framing a doorway, or adorning a porch, garlands bring warmth and cheer to your home. In this video, we'll explore some amazing Christmas garland ideas to inspire your holiday decor. Let's dive into these timeless and creative designs. Evergreen elegance. An evergreen garland adorned with vintage oversized bells, Christmas ornaments, and a burgundy ribbon bow makes for a classic yet sophisticated display. Lush mantle beauty. Style your mantle with a lush evergreen garland paired with oversized bells and red velvet ribbon. Add a matching Christmas tree nearby for a cohesive look. Cool and crisp look. Use silver ornaments, red bows, and white stockings with a beautiful evergreen garland to create a clean and festive atmosphere. Elegant holiday touch. Combine evergreens with greenery, red ornaments, lights, and large black ribbon bows for a chic and elegant garland perfect for any holiday setup. Vintage charm. A garland of evergreens and pine cones paired with a pom-pom garland, vintage frame pictures, and candles creates a cozy and nostalgic mantle display. Boho vibes. For a bohemian touch, decorate with a pom-pom and bead garland, stockings, fairy lights, and small houses alongside evergreens on your mantle. Welcoming porch decor. Frame your entryway with a lit-up evergreen garland, add a wreath with a red bow, and use a greenery and ribbon garland with candle lanterns for a bold and inviting porch. Playful stocking display. Hang bold red and white stockings on a mantle decorated with a garland of evergreens, gold ornaments, and vibrant greenery for a festive focal point. Rustic outdoor appeal. Create a bold porch look with evergreen garlands, copper deer statues, a lit-up Christmas tree, and star-shaped lights for a magical vibe. Boxwood and cranberries. A boxwood wreath paired with cranberry garlands is an eye-catching yet simple addition to your Christmas decor. Bright and cheery porch. Use an evergreen garland with berries, plaid ribbons, and a red bow-top wreath to create a festive and cozy porch setup. Lit-up greenery. Combine evergreen garlands with twinkling lights and red ornaments. Add plaid ribbons and candle lanterns for an inviting and charming entryway. Gilded glamour. Decorate your mantle with a chic garland featuring gilded pine cones, matching wreaths, and pillar candles for a warm and elegant touch. Pom-pom cheer. Use a neutral pom-pom garland accented with red ornaments for a playful and festive decor that's easy to style. Striped accents. Pair an evergreen garland with pillar candles, striped ribbons, and white stockings for a bright and beautiful mantle. Snowy pine cones. Add a snowy pine cone garland to your mantle, complemented with mini houses, stockings, and a Christmas tree for a cohesive winter wonderland theme. Chic tree garland. Create a garland of white pom-poms, silver ornaments, and snowflakes to drape over a Christmas tree for a fresh and modern look. Colorful accents. Decorate with a colorful garland of evergreens, blue and gold ornaments, and snowy pine cones for a vibrant yet cozy mantle decoration. Knit garland charm. Add a bold and colorful knit chain garland for a whimsical and unique holiday accent. Cottage elegance. Use an evergreen, pine cone, and ornament garland on a mantle alongside neutral stockings, silver deer figurines, and black candelabras for a sophisticated cottage-style decor. Christmas garlands are a versatile and stunning way to enhance your holiday decorations. Whether you prefer classic, modern, or rustic styles, there's a garland idea for every home. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more holiday inspiration. Happy decorating, and have a joyful holiday season.